Hi guys, it's Carrie here with Colton RV and Marine here in Orchard Park, New York. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Forest River R-Pod 171C. We're going to start right up front here at the tongue. Standard manual tongue jack. You don't have to worry about anything breaking there. You do have one propane tank. And then you have space up here for 2 batteries. Coming around here, we have our glass entry door with an oversized grab handle. And this unit is made of Blasdell composite. So the sidewalls are Blasdell composite, so there's almost nothing that's gonna rot out on you. Coming back here, it is a single axle unit. So it is pretty lightweight and towed by most SUVs. Here you do have some outdoor power, as well as your black tank flush. So moving back here, personally one of my favorite things about this unit is this large unobstructed pass-through storage that's right underneath the bed. There's 3 points of access, 2 on the outside and 1 on the inside. Coming around here, you do have your spare tire and a nice back window near the bed. So when you're laying there at night, you can look at the stars. Another thing I want to point about this unit, it has a one-piece molded fiberglass roof that goes from the front cap all the way to the back. Coming around here, we do have the other point of access for the pass-through. Hot water tank. You do have cable satellite hookup, as well as your water connections. We do have, along with the manual tongue jack, we have manual stabilizer jacks as well. All right, so come on in here. First, we're gonna take a look at the kitchen area. We do have a nice booth dinette here that will collapse to additional sleeping space. You have a nice deep bowl sink, 2-burner cooktop with convection microwave. You got some USBs and power here. And then a pretty deep storage cupboard. Coming back here, we're going to take a look at the bathroom. It's a nice wet bath. And it has everything you need. And then one thing that's pretty unique about this unit is it is a brand new 24 and it still has a propane refrigerator. So perfect for off-grid camping. We do have some storage up here. And then coming back here, we do have a nice big bed, perfect for the 2 of you. And then some hanging storage for your clothes. All right, thanks guys for coming along with me on this walk around of the 2024 R-Pod 171C. Give me a call with any questions. My number here is 716-957-3250. I'm extension 343, or stop right on in Orchard Park. Thanks so much.